Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a quick Dollar Tree haul for you all, and I think every item here is brand new. So let's jump in and see what I found. So the first item I was excited about was this body wash by Lever 2000. I want to say around spring every year they normally start putting out some name brand body washes. I picked up a ton of the Zest Berry body wash last year, and I am finally running out, so I picked up a few of these. They're great to have on hand even if you don't want to use them yourself. These are good to put in your guest bathroom, and at least there's like a name brand product for cheap. The next item was the Clorox MultiPurpose Cleaner, and this is in the fragrance of Morning Sky. It smells really good. This is 24 fluid ounces, and this is the Fragranzia brand or line that they have. They've been putting out for months now. The wipes, small bottle, maybe small bottles of this, and a couple other items. So when I saw the big bottle, I was really excited. This was the only scent that my Dollar Tree had, but maybe they have others, out. I'm not sure. If you know, comment down below. So yeah, I was really excited for this. I do believe you dilute this. Yeah, you dilute it. Mix 4 ounces of Clorox in 1 gallon of water. You can, let's see, for tough jobs, you can use it with a sponge. You can put it in your laundry. I don't know, lots of things for kitchen, floors, bathroom, pet areas, and laundry. So that was pretty awesome. So pick one of those up, give it a try. Some food items, actually just one food item. The Cheez-It Snaps are out, and you get 4 to a pack. So that's not a terrible deal. I just picked these up for my daughter's, lunch bag at school. Some makeup items or beauty care items that are new. I don't know if this is new, but I don't remember this, at least the design. Maybe they're old, I don't know. This is the Sassy and Chic blush brush. So I know now they have like the white bristles with the pink ends, but I don't remember ever seeing the zebra one, and I needed just like a small brush that wasn't angled, so I grabbed this. The next item, doing my daughter's hair all the time, and I'm constantly running up and down our stairs and looking for brushes and combs. So I don't remember them having this. Maybe they did, but they're so cute. You get a pack of 12 combs, and they're all different colors, and they're all glitter. So I thought these were really cute, and I'm just gonna stash them everywhere in the house, downstairs, in the bathrooms, in the bedrooms, wherever, so I don't have to constantly be hunting for a comb. The next new item is by Maybelline, and this is Starlight Gold's Lasting Drama Light Liner. So I think you can use this like on your lower lid, or if you just like gold eyeliner, you can use it on the top as well. But I thought that was interesting, and for $1 for Maybelline, that is a great price. So I picked one of those up. And the last item that I found that I'm pretty sure is new are these Uni-ball pens, and you get 2 pens. It says make a statement with thick and vibrant ink that provides striking bold colors. It does not, it just says 2 assorted gel pens. So I'm going to guess by bold colors that the green pen has green ink and the blue pen has blue ink, but I am not sure. Let's open it up and find out. Let's see. But I want to say these are new because I don't remember Uni-ball being at Dollar Tree. So this is the pen. You get 2 of them. You get a blue one and a green one, and it's got the little wax ball. Okay, so it is green. Yeah, that one's green, and here's the blue one. Yeah, and that one's blue. So they work. So yeah. Great for $1, absolutely. So that is everything from my haul, you guys. Thank you all so much for watching. If you have not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I look forward to seeing you all in my next video. Bye.